The first example, if you had 2x minus 3 times 4x squared plus 6 minus 6. Alright, so you have to look at the degree. Remember, the degree is the exponent like we've done before. So the degree over here is 1. So if the degree is 1, remember the height. So you have to draw a box, but you need the height. The height is 1 more than the degree of the first polynomial. So we're going to do 1 plus 1 to find the height, because it's 1 more than the degree. So it's going to be 2. The height is going to be 2. The length is going to be 1 more than the degree of the second polynomial. The degree here is 2. The exponent is the biggest exponent, or the largest exponent of 2. And it's going to be 1 more. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the height is 3. So we're going to draw the box with a height of 2 and a length of 4. So go ahead and draw this box. Make it as even as you possibly can, with a height of 2 and a length of 3. Just like that. There's my box. Alright, it says write down the polynomials on the outside edges of the box. So the first polynomial is just the height, and then the second one is the length. So here's my height, perfect, 2. Here's my length, perfect, 3. That means there are no zeros. If I didn't have a perfect match, it means I had some zeros. Like times, you're going to multiply like times with the diagonals. So multiply, that's going to be 4x cubed. That's going to be 2x squared. Remember, don't forget to add the exponents with the x's. Negative 12x squared. Negative 3, negative 6, positive 18. Okay? Now, like terms with the diagonals, combine them. So I'm going to take colors here so I can show you what they are. So I'm just going to draw diagonals. I'm going to do different colors. Diagonals on different colors so that you can see them. All different colors on my diagonals. Alright, and that's what it is, combine them. So purple's by itself, combine the blues, that's tigers versus Trojans, tigers win by 10. Tigers versus tigers, more tigers, 15, and that one's by itself, so just plus 18. And that's it, that's your answer. So multiplying is really just like the lattice multiplication, and this makes it so simple because it's already in order and you don't skip anything. But let's see if we were missing something, we had to put a 0. So let's look at another example. Alright, so we have x to the 4th power minus 3x squared plus 2x squared minus x plus 5 multiplied by 2x squared plus 4. So again, first thing we're going to need to do is draw a box. So we need to determine what our height and our length is. So remember, our height is 1 more than the first one. What's the degree? 4, right? That's the biggest exponent, so the degree is 4. So add 1 to that, that's going to be your height. So the height is 4 plus 1, which is 5. And we're going to do the same thing for the second one. The length is 1 more than the degree of the second one. So the second one, the highest exponent is 2. And we're going to add 1 to that, so 2 plus 1, which is 3. That's your length. So now we're going to draw our box. So the height is going to be 5, so 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines, and we need 3. 1, 2, 3. Make your boxes. Okay, so then now we're just going to write them across on the outside. And we're going to count to make sure that they have enough. So this one says that only 5 boxes means there should be 5 terms. That one says there are 3 boxes, there should be 3 terms. So you can see we're missing something. Write the polynomials on the outside edges of the box. Be zeros if you include zeros if you need. So we're going to be careful when you write this down because it's not matching. So it's going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this one's actually okay because it has all of the terms. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and I'm talking about the exponents. On this one, it should have 3, but it only has 2, so there's 1 missing, and it's between. It should go 2, 1, 0. So I was missing the 1. So now you make sure you put the 0x. That's going to be the biggest thing. Multiply, everything else is easy. The biggest thing is just going to remember to put the 0. Add the exponents, so to the 6. Add the exponents, so to the 5, but it's 0, so it doesn't matter. And just 4x to the 4th power. Alright, so negative 6, and then add the exponents, so to the 5. Negative, well, 0, add the exponents to the 4, and then negative 12x cubed. 4, add the exponents to the 4, 0, add the exponents to the 3, and 8x cubed. Go ahead and correct that. So negative 2x add the exponents to the 3, 0x add the exponents squared, negative 4x. Last one, 10x squared, 0x, and 20. Alright, so the like terms of the diagonals, and you're just going to combine them. So take different colors and make diagonals. It's the easiest way so you don't skip anything. So take different colors and make diagonals. Listening check, shading the boxes with where it says example 1 and example 2 on this page. Shading the boxes where it says example 1 and example 2 on this page. Then we're just going to combine them right now. So we'll start from the left hand side. It really doesn't matter, put it in order. So 2x to the 6 by itself. Then combine the blues, negative 6x to the 5. Combine those, that's 8x to the 4. Combine those, tigers meet tigers. So negative 14x to the 3. Then Trojans meets Trojans, that's 18x squared. And then that's just negative 4x, and that's just plus 20. And you're going to notice it's already in order. It goes 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So that's perfect. That's it.